Have you ever wondered what it would be like to work with the ocean, to nurture and grow marine life? Imagine a career that not only connects you with nature, but also contributes to a sustainable future. Welcome to a Certificate 2 in Aquaculture, a program designed for individuals who want to dive into the world of marine sustainability. This course provides hands-on training in real-world environments, where you'll learn essential skills such as fish husbandry, water quality monitoring, and sustainable farming practices. You'll also gain knowledge in areas like aquatic health, marine biology, and the operation and maintenance of aquaculture systems. You'll work alongside industry experts and gain valuable experience that can lead to a fulfilling career in aquaculture. From hatcheries to research facilities, the opportunities are vast and rewarding. Our program is not just about education, it's about making a difference. With the growing demand for sustainable seafood, your skills will be crucial in creating a healthier planet. You'll learn about innovative techniques and technologies that ensure the sustainability and productivity of aquaculture operations. Aquaculture isn't all about fish farms. If you're passionate about marine life or habitat conservation, this certificate can get your foot in the door for roles as an aquatic biologist, fisheries technician, or aquaculture diver, and many more. Take the plunge and join us in a Certificate 2 in Aquaculture. Your journey to a sustainable and exciting career starts here.